Welcome friend to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Once again we are here with an interesting questions, and the question is, when a number is added to another number, the total becomes 3, that is 1/3% of the second number. And further, what is the ratio between the first and the second number? So here we have to find out the ratio between the first and the second number. So here the first thing which we have to do, let the two number. So here we are saying, here it is saying that one number is added to another number. So here we take, let the two numbers be, let the two numbers be, that is x and y. So here we have taken the two number, that is x and y. So according to the question, if you see, when a number is added to another number, so here when a number, so this is the first number x and this is the second number plus y is equal to, then the total becomes 1/3% of the second number, and the second number here we are having there, that is y. So this becomes y. I hope till here you have got the complete things. Now further solving, if you see this, so this is, so here we take, that is 3/3. So here if we divide any number, we get here the remainder and the divider. So this becomes, so how much? 3 multiplied by 3. So first thing which we have to do, that is 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. And here we are having 1 plus, and we plus it with the above portion, and this becomes, that is 10/3. I hope you have understood here this complete thing. Now it becomes, this is x plus y is equal to 10 divided by 3 y. And further solving, this becomes, so here this is y and this is y. So this becomes, that is x is equal to 10 divided by 3 y, and this goes this side, becomes minus y. So x is equal to, here we are having 3, so we take the LCM 3. So here 3 cancels out, and this becomes, that is 10 y minus 3 y. I hope till here you have understood the method. And this becomes, x is equal to 7/3 y. And if you look at the question, so here it is saying that what is the ratio between the first and the second number. So we have to find out the ratio of the first and second number, and this becomes, that is x divided by y. So this is a form of an ratio, and this becomes, that is 7 divided by 3. So this is our answer. And if you want to further write in the ratio form, that is x ratio y is equal to 7/3. So this could be also our answer, and this is also the same thing. So these are our answer. I hope you have understood the complete method. So if you like the method, so it is requested to you, please subscribe our channel Aptitude Math Learner. Thank you very much.